Alright guys, so now I'm going to teach you how to fulfill an order once you receive one. It's very simple. I'm back on my main store right now, one deal at a time. So far I've done $332 in sales today of 23 orders, and I'm going to go in and fulfill one of those right now. So you're going to go to apps, and then you're going to go back to that Oberlo app. And then once you get to this dashboard, you're going to come right here where it says to order. And then I'm just going to fulfill one of these. I'm going to go all the way to 10. Seems like my virtual assistant has been slacking on the orders actually. I'm actually about to hit her up on Skype right now. But nonetheless, I'm still going to show you. So whenever you get an order, it's going to show up on this page. Now, before you do this, you're going to want to go to settings. And then you're going to go to suppliers right here. And again, be sure you're doing this on Google Chrome because the only way Oberlo works is with Google Chrome. Put default shipping method as ePacket. Override phone number, you don't need that because you already have your customer putting in their phone number. And then right here, be sure to put this. I'm drop shipping. Please do not include any invoices, promotions, or your brand logo in the shipments. Please ship as soon as possible for repeat business. And then you click Save Settings up here, and then you're going to go back to your orders. And then once you're back here, you're going to go click Order Product. And then it should do it all automatically for you. And this is why I love Oberlo. It's completely hands-off. So you'll see it right here. So it clicks on the size and how many cases they want. It's going to add that. It's going to fill in all their details right here. Oh, and be sure to log in. I'm going to log in real quick. Now that you're logged in, it's going to fill in all those details. Right there, still hands off. And then it uploads your shipping information right there. And then you're just going to come down here. You're going to make sure. See, in UK, they actually don't have ePacket, so you do have to deal with China Post. But see how it just filled in all this right here for the seller. And then all you do is come down here and click Confirm and Pay. Okay, so now it's ordered. Now what you have to do after this, it depends on how long it takes to process. Say like some stores, it's about 3 days. You have to be sure to do this. You come back to the dashboard, and then you'll have a bunch that say in processing. And then, like I said, it takes about 3 to 5 days for in processing. So I'm going to go all the way to the last tab. And you just go down the line and you click Get Tracking Code. And then it automatically updates that and it alerts the customer that their product is on the way, and it gives them the tracking number and whatnot. Hey guys, it's that easy. Honestly, Oberlo takes a lot of the headache of drop shipping out for you. It automates it as much as possible. And then once you get to the point where this gets to be too much work, because this is a lot of orders right here, just outsource it to a virtual assistant.